Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial where I teach you how to use a developer product to earn some Robux. So for this tutorial we will need exploring properties. We're going to click view, exploring properties. There we go. Now before we start scripting and everything, we're going to go back home. We're going to click game settings and we're going to click monetization. Now over here at the bottom we're going to click developer products. We're going to click create. And there you go. You have your first developer product that we need to edit. So to edit the developer product, we're going to click these three dots, click edit, and there you go. Now we're going to change the name to let's say 100 cash, and then we're going to change the price to 10 Robux. Now we're going to click save. There you go, it's saved. Also, before we move on, we're going to click back to game settings. We're going to click security, and we're going to enable allow HTTP requests, and we're going to don't mind this warning. And we're going to enable studio access to API services. Also, one thing that I forgot is we're going to click back to game settings, we're going to click monetization, and we're going to copy the ID of our developer product to our clipboard. So let's just copy that, and there you go. Now you can just close it out of this. Now we're going to set up a simple leader stat to so we buy something and it gives us something. So we're going to go to service, we're going to click add, we're going to add a script. And now we're going to write this simple few line code. Now we're going to write game.players.player added connect function. We're going to do function is player. Then we're going to write local stats equals instance.new folder. And then stats.name equals to, let's say, leader stats, because it's our leader stats. Then we're going to write stats.parent equals to player. We're going to write some cache. So we're going to write local cache equals instance.new int value. Cache.name equals to cache. And cache.value equals to 0. And cache.parent equals to stats. Now we're also going to rename this script to leaderstats so we don't get confused. Now we're going to create a new script, another script in service, and this is going to be our developer product. So we're going to rename this script to developer product. Now we're going to write local marketplace service equals to get service, so get service marketplace service. Now we're going to write local players equals game get service players local product ID, and we're going to paste in the product ID that we copied from our game settings. So this is my product ID. Now we're going to write marketplace service dot process receipt equals function receipt info. And then local player equals players get player by user ID, and receipt info dot player ID. Then if not player, then return enum dot product purchase decision dot not processed yet. Then we're going to skip a line. So over here we're going to skip a line. Then we're going to do local cache equals player find first child leader stats, because that's our folder inside of the player. And then we're going to write find first child cache. Now if cache, then cache dot value plus equals to 100. It's going to just add 100 cache. Then at the end of this, we're going to write return enum dot product purchase decision dot purchase granted. Now that we made both of these scripts, the developer product and the leader stats, we need actually something for the player to buy our developer product, so we earn Robux. To do that, we're going to create a GUI button. So to do that, we're gonna go to start GUI, add a screen GUI, call this screen GUI to like Robux GUI, and then in our GUI we're gonna make a text button, and let's place it like somewhere over here. Also, let's design this button a little bit, so we're gonna change the name of our actual button to buy button, and then let's do like color like this color, something like that. And then I'm gonna change the size to like 0.5. Oh, that's way too big. Maybe 0.1 is pretty good. Yeah, 0.1 looks pretty good. Also change the anchor point to 0.5 so that it's in the middle. And then yeah, position doesn't really matter. We're gonna change our font face to like Fredoka 1. If you're like making an obby or tycoon, Fredoka 1 is pretty good. It's a good font face. Then we're gonna change our text to buy 100 cash. So then we're gonna enable text scale, change the text color to white, and we have our button. Now to actually like make this button work, we're gonna create a local script inside of our button, and we're gonna write just a few simple scripts. So we're gonna write local marketplace service equals game get service marketplace service. Now we're gonna write local button equals script.parent, which is this script is the buy button's parent. Now we're gonna write local product ID equals to our product ID, which I'm just gonna paste because I copied it. And now we're gonna write button dot mouse button one click connect function marketplace service prompt product purchase game dot players dot local player comma product ID. This is it. This is our buy button script. Now we're gonna test it out. Now that I spawned in the game, as you can see, I have 0 cash, and if I click output, no errors if you actually watched the video and didn't skip through. But we have our button, we're gonna click buy 100 cash. As you can see, the prompt shows up, and this is a test purchase. Your account will not be charged, so you don't have to worry about like if you don't have any Robux right now and you think you won't be able to buy it, don't worry, you're all good. This is a test purchase. And if we click cancel, it's not gonna give Robux. But if we click the 10 Robux, as you can see, your purchase of 100 cash succeeded, and we get our 100 cash. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you out and you learned something about how to make a developer product. And maybe in the next tutorial, if you guys comment, I should make like a shop GUI. I can do that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe and like, and also join the Discord if you have any problems or any issues. I can help you out in there. But bye bye.